Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Let's see what we have today. Well, it's the power adapter that I wanted for the Canon M50. So this is the cable, and this is the dummy battery that will go inside the Canon M50. This is the AC adapter. Let's have a look here. So it works for 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. So let's open it up. There is a good length. So let's put this. Okay. Now this is the battery for the Canon M50. It doesn't last long enough for me. I need to have a continuous power in order to live stream and to take longer videos. And this is the dummy battery. So let's see how can we put this in the camera. This is the Canon M50. Open it up here. And we put the dummy battery, yes, just like this. And we close it. Then we see this part here. This actually opens to reveal the place where you will fix. Well, I hope it works. Let's plug it in and see. Let's plug this in. Okay, it's a moment of truth. Let's open this up and turn this on. And let's open the length cap. And it works. Let's put this here. And this is the battery. So it works perfectly. I hope it continues to work, but so far so good. You can put the M50 on a tripod or anywhere you want, and you have continuous power, and you can use it as a streaming camera, or you can take videos as long as you want now, because previously it was limited to the battery's capacity. So it works perfectly. So this is all that comes in the box, this adapter and the wire. You can order this in different types. Order the European model. And this is the dummy battery. Well, that's all for this unboxing. See you next time. Bye.